Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match. Meanwhile, we have Roman Reigns.
Byron, how does this matchup require a different mindset? Punch across the cheek.
Now a pin for the championship. Oh, that gets reversed on Randy. And Cody Rhodes reversed. Cena. KO with the championship on the line. Broken up, and the match continues.
That's teamwork.
The Rock setting him up for Rock Bottom.
Rock got it. I think it's over.
Good measure. Finds the room to land it.
In position. We're about.
Bad aiming there as the ref takes a blow. Forget it. She's shot.
We can put it away here.
Oh, side cut.
Then Shamrock picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission, and he breaks the hold. All he has to do is capitalize.
He breaks the pin.
Catches an uppercut.
I believe, but it looks like he just dimmed some of the Rock's shine.
Yeah, as Orton was putting his precision to work there.
Planning on what to do next.
So-called dentist. Then Shamrock picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission. And what a maneuver. And he breaks the submission.
Meanwhile, we see the Rock.
Oh, man, he is fired up now. Face buster. Man, that was... The Rock has him hooked. Rock bottom. The Rock has this wrapped up.
Placing them into the corner. With the championship on the line.
The pin's broken up.